Wildfire, where's Cinnamon? I see some. There he is. Oh, goodness. Hi, baby girl. She said, Mama, what you got? Oh, goodness. She's right up in the middle of that food bowl. That's some good stuff, ain't it? Cinnamon, say hey to your new mommy. Say, hey, Mommy. Say hello. She's inside the barn, so her color isn't as dark inside the barn as what it was on the outside. Plus, I'm a ways from her. Doesn't look like it. I'm just zooming in. Oh, goodness gracious. Say, I have to play on the inside until I get much bigger. Say bye-bye now.